Christmas is a season of gathering, lights, voices, family, and warmth. But in every ham community, there are chairs that sit empty, call signs that don't answer, and voices that once filled the airwaves, now carried only in memory. Today we honor them, the Silent Keys. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. If you're not already a subscriber here, please go ahead and do so. That certainly helps the channel continue to grow. Today we talk about a topic that affects all of us hams, especially as we make friends in the community. Every ham operator grew up hearing certain voices. The one that always anchored the net. The Elmer who never rushed you. The station you could always count on for a relay. The old-timer who checked into every event. Even when the world seemed too busy to care. They weren't just operators. They were pillars. They taught us how to solder a PL259. How to read static like a language. How to check in. How to serve. And then one day, their call sign ended with SK. If you've been into this hobby long enough, you've seen it happen. A voice go quiet, a shack go dark, and the bands feel just a little emptier. Christmas amplifies it because you remember the times they wished you a 7-3 and Merry Christmas, helped you through winter skywarn, opened their shacks when you were brand new to the hobby, or they just simply answered. When you called into the void, and now on Christmas, you catch yourself listening, hoping maybe you'll hear them one more time. This tribute is for them, for every operator who spent years turning strangers into friends, and noise into connection. For every silent key who taught more than radio, they taught patience, service, humility, and presence. The repeaters they helped build still stand. The antennas they installed still stretch towards the sky. The people they trained, they still operate. Their fingerprints are everywhere, even if their voices are gone. That is legacy. This Christmas, as you sit in front of your rig, key up for a net or listen to quiet bands, say their name, tell their story. Pass on what they pass to you, because the best way to honor a silent key is to be the voice. Someone else needs to hear this season. They gave time, effort, and years so you don't have to learn alone. Now it's your turn to be that person for someone else. To every silent key who taught us, laughed with us, helped us, lifted us, and built this hobby. Thank you. Merry Christmas and 7-3.